What is up guys, welcome to Barrookie. I got this bike for free and I had to make a review about it and it already broke on me. So in today's video, we're going to try and fix it. In the summer of last year, DYU sent me this bike to review and after 3 months, it already broke. The pedal assist didn't work anymore, the boost button didn't drive the motor anymore. What's also very important for me is that I give you the truth, right? I don't want to review a product that is just not working, and I don't want you guys to buy things that I'm not fully behind it. So if this bike ends up not working anymore, you're gonna know this. And I'm sorry for DYU, but if they send broken materials to me to review, then they probably can send broken things to you guys as well. So we don't want that. We want to see if things are fixable and if you get the right service. That's very important. So I reached out to DYU like 3 months after it broke again, and they said, yeah, it's probably a malfunction in the motor. It doesn't happen that often. So yeah, we're going to send you a new motor. And I have to try and install this. And I was hesitant about it because, yes, again, I'm not a bike mechanic, but I do like a challenge. Yeah, we're going to do that in this video. The first thing we got to do is check whether or not this is the problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boot up the bike, which is very easy. Just press that button. And if I press the booster button, you see the bike moved and then it stopped. So I'm pressing the button here, but nothing happens. Disconnect the motor here. Boom. We take the new motor. If I press that button, this one should start turning. Yes, and it works. Let's just start the time lapse and I'll see you after the struggle. This must have been the easiest tire change ever. So my dad told me I would need this tool to remove this here, but it doesn't go in. So yeah, to the store we go. Oh yes. Perfect. So this should. Boom! I did it! I repaired my first bike. How awesome is that? So that was basically my inspiration to you guys. So all I needed was 2 keys like this little thingy that cost me around 10 euros, and then this tool that was provided with the bike by DYU. So yeah, just this and a bit of dare. So yeah, this bike works again. So the boost button works and the pedal assist works again. So thank you DYU for helping me out and for giving me this opportunity to just try. And that is what I want with this channel. A piece of equipment that you want but you cannot afford. Try to find ways to experiment and make it your own, and maybe you come up with great things. So yeah, it's a bit of a random video, but I just wanted to show you that that DYU has a great customer service and that you should just try to do things yourself and yeah, see how it goes. I'm not a mechanic, I don't know anything about bikes, I just saw and I tried. Also, in the next video we're going to explore why this bike here is illegal in my country. So yeah, that would be probably the final video about this thing. Oh, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!